Engine start.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are cleaning AGR system and replacing spark plug. So we already removed the negative terminal of battery. This is the connector of ECU. Okay, so we also cleaning the throttle body assembly. Okay, so we are removing now the cover, all bolts. This is the auto light spark plug. Okay, disclaimer, this is not a sponsorship or business partnership. This is only I bought this spark plug from my own car, auto light spark plug. Okay, so let's get started to remove. So we already removed the top cover, the plastic. So we are removing clamp hose. So we have a lot of hoses to disconnect. We need to disconnect, and spark plug we need to remove. So we need to start here in throttle. Just 10mm bolts, 4 pieces. So we already removed. So have any carbon here, starting to build up a carbon, but here it's not. Inside is already have carbon, so we need to spray a couple of times and wipe with the clean rags. Okay, so let's remove first the spark plug. Okay, here's the ignition coil. Okay, let's remove the spark plugs. So spark plug is platinum. It's a auto light platinum. So the odometer of this vehicle is already 145,000 kilometers. So already exceed for more than 45 kilometers. Must be replaced during 100,000 kilometers. The iridium. So it's already deteriorated. The corona, it's already yellow. All right. So here's the new one. This is the old one. We need to confirm if same size, must be same size. All right. The second one. And the third one. And the fourth. All right. Okay, so let's remove the AGR slowly. So we need to remove all hoses. This is the bank 1, bank 2 oxygen sensor. Okay, so we are disconnecting all socket and clips. So the clamps hose, I use the plier. So also at the back, the bracket into exhaust manifold, 10mm, and also here 12mm, 2 pieces at the back. So we already removed. To remove this, we need a 3/8 ratchet and long depth socket 12mm. So only 2 bolts. So let's clean now and spray inside of the AGR extension and also the AGR bulb after. All right, already have a build up, but not too much. But we need to prevent AGR stack up, so we need to clean earlier as possible. So this is the AGR bulb. So we are already finished. Let's see where's the location of the bolts and the lower. Here's the 2 over there. Okay, so we are already finished. We need to assemble now. So head and gasket, just clean up and tight. All right, so we are now installing. Make sure your bolt or your tools is good to tight properly. So let's connect now the connectors from the bank 1 bank to oxygen sensor, also the bolts, clips, don't forget, and you need to double check every time we connect and disconnect. Alright, so we are almost done for AGR. So next we need to install now the throttle body assembly, just for bolts. Just tight exactly for 10mm. Alright, here's the coolant hose. So we need to quick reconnect into the line. Okay, so we need to clip again the hose using the long nose. Alright, so here's the clamp for the hose. Make sure it's tight well. It's the vacuum hose. Okay, so let's install the ignition coils. Alright, we are done. So we are tightening the 10mm bolt, only exact tight for plastic. Alright, this is the connector for idle up sensor. It's the throttle position sensor. Alright, so let's connect the ECU connector, the last one. Alright, so we're almost done. So we need to connect also the covers, small covers, and the screw, plastic screws. Alright, so the 10mm bolt for air filter housing. There are 3 bolts, 10mm. Just hand tight first, and you can tighten now finally the 10mm socket wrench with small ratchet. Okay. Okay, we're now tightening the 10mm, just like that, and tight the 10mm bolt into the positive terminal. All done. So make sure the ignition key is off, remove from the ignition switch, so we can connect down the negative terminal and tighten. Make sure that secure exactly tight. Alright, let's put now the bracket. Okay, so the bracket is 10mm also the air duct extension. Okay, make sure all components are double checked. What you remove, we need to double check to install. Alright, neutral. Okay, we need to switch on for activation of ECU. Just push 3 seconds slowly, going down the accelerator pedal for 3 times, and another 3 times. Alright, switch off and start the engine after 3 times. So remove the key and start the engine. Okay, so switch off, start. Alright, so we are now finished. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.